You can make 2025 the best year of your life, but it's not going to happen until you implement these things. And it's not going to happen January the 1st. In fact, it's going to happen starting today. So let's go through it. See, a lot of you have already started thinking, 2025 is coming up. It's going to be the year I change. It's going to be the year I do everything. This year has flown, let's be honest. I mean, it was January, seems like a few weeks ago, maybe 1 or 2 months ago, but actually we're here now in September. And so we've only got 4 months left now. Technically, we've got 3.5 months when this video comes out. But the point is this, until you do these things, until you wake up and realize that it's not January the 1st that things change. It is that you need to get up today. And you need to tell yourself that I need to start implementing things from today to make 2025 the best year that you have ever had. And so number one, how many of you want to lose weight? How many of you want to start a business? How many of you want to do something new in your lives? And that could be maybe learning the Arabic language or something else. The point is this, how many of you are telling yourselves already that 2025 is the year? Maybe some of you want to get married. The point is this, you need to start taking action from today. And if you're watching this on a Thursday or a Sunday, because by the way, that's the upload date, it's not about starting on the Monday. It's about starting as soon as this video finishes. I want you guys to do this. Go on your phone, go on your notes. Tell yourself everything that you want to achieve in 2025. Now, I want the goals that you make to be realistic, and don't make them where you're going to become a millionaire within 1 year, or you're going to start making a crazy amount of money, within 2 weeks. That stuff only happens on social media, and a lot of the people that say this to you, in fact, 98% of the people that say that they've achieved a crazy amount within 2 months, unfortunately, are probably not being very honest with you. Go on your notes, write down 5 things you really want to achieve in 2025. Now remember, make the goals realistic, and that could be in your business life, that could be in your career, that could be that you want to get married, whatever that is. Write those 5 things. Now, I'm going to let you pause this video, go on your notes and come back and let me tell you what you need to do with these goals. Hopefully you've written down these goals. And if you haven't, listen, I'm trying to work with you guys and trying to make 2025 the best year. So what are you planning at? Just pause the video, go on your notes, write down 5 goals. This video is going to be massively beneficial if you do this. The first goal, what is it that you could do today that will help you achieve that goal by even 1%? And even if it's not 1%, 0.5%. So say for example, you want to get married in 2025. You want to get married by July 2025. Have a conversation with your parents. If you've had a conversation already with your parents, have a conversation with a person of knowledge, an imam, a sheikh. Have a message to your cousin or uncle or someone you trust. Go out. Send something. It's about doing 1%. Because trust me, this 1% that you're doing today is going to have a huge impact in 2 or 3 months. It might be that one chance that you need to get married. Now, your goal number 2, let's say it's like you want to start a business for yourself in 2025. You could start a business tomorrow, to be fair. You could register a company tomorrow. You could do that today. It wouldn't take you a lot of time. If there is a business that you want to start and you need to take action, then start taking some action. Let's say you want to start a recruitment company. Well, listen, you could do the recruitment course that we have for everyone in starting a recruitment company. And obviously the link is in the description below. Leave your details and someone will be in touch. You could do that. Or let's say you're starting a different business model and you just need to get in touch with companies. You need to add people on LinkedIn. You need to be active. Maybe you just need to have a conversation with someone in that industry or niche. That could just be your 1%. But you know what? Something even more important than that. Something more important, all your 5 goals right now that you're looking at and you're saying, well, how can I achieve this? Something that you might not be doing right now, which is probably step 1 of achieving your goals in 2025. Are you making dua to Allah about these goals being achieved in 2025? Are you actually asking Allah that these are the things that I want to achieve? And are you asking Allah? Because is it not Allah that is responsible for everything? And if it isn't, without Allah's permission, it will never happen, right? And so that is not just 1%. That's huge. I don't want to even give a percentage to that. But the point is this. If you can even start making dua tonight, whenever, maybe after this video, that, you know what, every day I am going to make dua about my goals and I'm going to ask Allah that 2025 is the best year I have. Now, 2 things here. 2025 is the best year I have, and then you're individually asking about the goals that you want to achieve as well. All of a sudden now, guys, this video, I promise you guys, if you haven't liked it already, I'll be very disappointed. But the reality is this video, just this video, has got you many percentages closer to your goal in making 2025 the best year possible. Remember, take action as quick as possible, do the 1%, make dua to Allah, and more importantly, slowly, every single day, just do 0.5%. Whatever that 0.5% is. Don't worry about doing 5-6 hours. Don't worry about doing 10 hours every single day. All I want you guys to do, in every single of your goals, you've got 5 goals. Minimum, I want you to spend 5 or 10 minutes on each goal for the next month. That's it. That is the minimum. Now, maximum, obviously, as much as you can, obviously, for those of you that might ask. But the minimum I need you to do is 5 to 10 minutes. Okay? That is the minimum. After a month, I want you to increase it. I want you to do 15 to 20 minutes on each goal. I want you to increase it, right? Now, that could be daily. And in an ideal situation, if you have some goals where actually you just need to do 2 or 3 15-minute sessions, a week, then do that. But in a week, you need to constantly do things every single day and every single week. Because I promise you this much. When you've got 3.5 months left till January and you're putting in effort every single day and you're trying to achieve something every single day and every single week, you're going to be in a place in January the 1st where you never even imagined you will be. And all of a sudden now, the starting point will be here. And I want your guys' starting point to be there. Usually what is happening, January 1st, your starting point is down here. You want to achieve this. And guess what? It's too much. The gap is too big. So get to there. Right? And even if it's not there, from there, get to there, right? That is the point. You need to get closer to your goals, make them realistic. And when you're in a routine, when you're doing them on a slower basis, on a constant basis, then when it comes to January the 1st, you're not going to feel like you are trying to achieve a crazy amount. Now, remember, consistency, make dua to Allah, and stop listening to the noise around you, guys. I keep saying this. I keep telling you every single video. Stop listening to the noise around you, the people around you. Unfortunately, not a lot of them do want good for you. Unfortunately, the advice going around isn't the best advice on social media, around your friends, around your family. A lot of the times, people want you to be successful, but they never want you to be more successful than them. So hopefully this video was of benefit. Like, share, and hopefully it was of benefit. We're trying to give as much value as possible.